Written in these walls are stories that I can't explain. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here, deep for days. Show me in the morning, she'll feel the same about us, her bones. Simply when I die, words will be written on my stone. I'll be gone, gone tonight. Ground beneath my feet is open wide. I've been holding on too tight, nothing in between. Story of my life, take her home, drive all night, keep her warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life, give her hope, spend our love till she's broken inside. A story of my life. Written on these walls are colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but stays right here in its cage. When in the morning, she's lighted by the pillow. Though I am broken, my heart's untamed still. And I'll be gone, gone tonight.